hate it when I'm at a place where the air conditioner kicks on and you have to raise your voice or turn up the volume of the television because of the noise the air conditioner system is making. AC systems do make a little bit of noise, and same thing with a little bit of vibration because they are mechanical machines. But when it's excessive to where you have to increase your volume or stop talking or turn up the TV or something, that's an issue. As an older system starts to wear out, its parts will start to make noises as things move around and they start to break down. That's probably an indication that you need to start to repair some parts or look at getting a new system. The newer systems are extremely quiet to the point where you almost don't even know that they're on when you're standing next to them. Those are really nice systems because you don't know that your air conditioner's on as it's doing what it needs to do to condition your home. But anything that's excessive, noisy, vibrates too much, have a professional take a look at that. They can tell you whether or not they need to change some parts out that are just wearing wrong, out of balance, things like that, that are causing that noise. Another area that causes noise is your ductwork. So if you have too much air flowing through too small of a duct, it's going to make a lot of noise as that velocity of air is pushed through that duct and out that vent. That can also be fixed by changing your ductwork, increasing the size of the ductwork, maybe breaking that air into two different vents to allow that velocity to slow down and come out through a larger opening or more openings. It'll decrease the noise on that. So if you're having a problem because of air conditioning system making too much noise or vibrating too much, have a professional take a look at it. You can give us a call at Anthem Air Conditioning. We'd be more than happy to help take a look and see if we can solve your problems. Thank you. I'm Mike Solomon with Anthem Air Conditioning. Talk to you soon.